when you order one of our Avenger ceramic coatings, this is what you get. You'll get the box here. It's gonna have a business card. It actually has my cell number on it. So if you have any problems, I don't care if it's night or day, 7 days a week, you can call me and I'll help you with whatever kind of problems you have, answering your questions. We send a real detailed instruction sheet. That's very important. Ceramic coatings are not hard to use as long as you can read the directions and follow the directions. That's what's critical. It comes down to these two bottles that come with it. It's A part and a B part. It's important that these are shaken up very well, and after you put them in this, after you put them in your cup here, and in equal amounts, what I tell everybody is go to 10 milliliters with part A, 20 milliliters with part B, and that little bit will go a long ways. So after you put it in there and you pour it in your little mixing bottle, you still want to shake it up again, even though you shook it up before you poured it in there, and keep it shook up while you use it. We're gonna mix that, put it in our bottle, and we'll just put one little thin stream down the center of this sponge, and that's gonna do about 3 square feet. And we'll start on this big rascal doing 3 square feet at a time. We get it coated.